Windy day here on the nursery, but also the sun's come out, and that's a welcome sight, particularly when we're looking at some of these gorgeous little garden pinks. Here on the end of the wagon are three that are part of the early bird series. This one is one called Fizzy. Beautiful bicolored flowers that are pink with red at the base, deep velvety red. Then look at this one that's pure white. It's early bird Frosty. And then right on the end here, this really spectacular one is early bird Chili. Now all three of these were selected, deliberately bred to be early flowering forms, but they just don't stop there, because if they're dead-headed, that's remove the old flowers. When they begin to go over, they will come again. Like other dwarf garden pinks, they're wonderful for sunny, well-drained positions. Great little plant to put into a vase too, because these flowers, when you smell them, are deliciously fragrant. Raised in Devon in England by Carl and Bourne, this is a really beautiful early season garden pinks that, as you see, are loaded with lots of flower buds, and when all of these break out, will put on a terrific show. This is the early bird series of Dianthus.